Alright, so one more thing we're going to do to Oren's car is the N80, I think it is on this vehicle, valve. So all I've done is disconnected it from its holder, pulled the clamps. Now I'm going to pull the hoses off of the valve, replace the valve, put it all back together, and then we'll see if that solves the problem of the no start. Give it a shot and see what happens. Took the old one off. This is the new one going on. And that's how we fix that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Till next time, guys, enjoy, stay safe, and good night.